Is the European Council committed to help boost global production and universal access to COVID-19 vaccines? However, without a waiver of the vaccine patents, this cannot be effectively achieved, and those words ring very hollow. Along with others, I've consistently called for Ireland to champion a waiving of the intellectual property rights, the so-called TRIPS waiver, on the vaccine to allow countries in the Global South to produce their own supply. The profits of corporations are being put ahead of the health of millions of people. The pharmaceutical company monopolies could leave countries in the Global South waiting until 2023 for widespread vaccination. Not only is this morally reprehensible, it also leaves us open to new variants, such as the Delta variant, which is already having a massive impact here. If the government is not motivated by human rights, can it at least act in self-interest? To date, the government's actions on this have been disgracefully inadequate. The latest response is that we are working with the European Commission and other member states on the EU position on the TRIPS waiver. In the middle of the pandemic, with a solution staring us in the face, we're working on a position when lives are being lost. We must use our voice in the EU to support the TRIPS waiver by temporarily suspending intellectual property rights at the World Trade Organization for COVID-19 vaccines, treatments and diagnostics. The People's Vaccine Alliance, representing a range of different groups, from the INMO to the Irish Council of Civil Liberties and Trocar, highlight the Irish people's desire for vaccine justice. Scientifically and morally, the argument is incredibly clear. The most effective way to end this pandemic is to ensure that everybody, everywhere, has access to vaccines. The temporary waiving of patents will enable a sustainable increase in the manufacturing and distribution of vaccines. This is the solution. What is the government doing to make it happen?